Today, we are going to explore colors with crayons. Look at these bright, colorful crayons. Each one is so much fun. Red, just like a shiny apple. Orange, like a juicy orange. Yellow, like the warm, bright sun. Green, like fresh grass in the park. Blue, like the clear sky on a sunny day. Purple, like a sweet grape. Brown, like yummy chocolate. Black, like the dark night sky. White, like soft, fluffy clouds. Pink, like a pretty flower. Wow, look at all these beautiful colors together. Now you know your colors with crayons. Isn't that fun? Thank you for learning with LearnCubby Kids. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so we can learn more